Hi everyone, I'm Rebecca Wolf. My pronouns are she, her, and I'm a senior chemical engineer with a minor in paper engineering. That being said, one of the things I'm passionate about is paper engineering, in which we actually just make paper. This is something I found my freshman year and kind of fell in love with. And due to that, I've had 2 internships. My first internship was at a paper mill in Wisconsin, where if you look at the rightmost picture, that is the view from on top of the paper mill. And my second internship was down at a small research company in Atlanta. The furthermost left picture actually is a picture of all the recycled paper that was given to our mill. So we made recycled paper, and that's what we used, just to show that your recycling is actually used and it is worth it. And then the middle picture is the small paper machine we have here at Miami. Normal paper machines are a lot bigger, but this is what we use for small research purposes. The next thing I'm super passionate about is my dog. I helped train him to be a certified therapy dog. He's now 4 years old, and he goes around to hospitals and to schools for kids with autism, where he does little sessions there just to brighten up people's day. And then if you look on the left, he also participates in agility competitions, and he does pretty well in those. And then lastly, I'm super competitive, so I love all types of games. I really love board games, and most recently my family's been playing a lot of Catan, as you can see on the left. And I started picking up golf this past fall, and had some fun with that. I'm also currently training for a half marathon. So I like anything that allows me to be competitive and to move around a little bit. Thank you for watching!